The boy very happy today. A is. B are. C was. D were. White heavy check mark answer. A is. We to the park yesterday. A go. B goes. C went. D going. White heavy check mark answer. C went. She a new book every month. A read. B reads. C reading. D read. White heavy check mark answer. B reads. I had bicycle when I was young. A have. B has. C had. D having. White heavy check mark answer. C had. They dinner right now. A eat. B eats. C eating. D are eating. White heavy check mark answer. D are eating. My mother delicious food. A cook. B cooks. C cooked. D cooking. White heavy check mark answer. B cooks. He late to school yesterday. A is. B was. C were. D are. White heavy check mark answer. B was. We English every day. A learn. B learns. C learned. D learning. White heavy check mark answer. A learn. The flowers very beautiful. A is. B are. C was. D be. White heavy check mark answer. B are. She her best friend last week. A meet. B meets. C met. D meeting. White heavy check mark answer. C met.